Web3's diversity makes it about much beyond just technology. Industry-wide, Web3 has established records for segments that Web 1 and Web 2 have been historically underrepresented and neglected. Web3, what is it? There are other interpretations going about, but they all share one thing in common: blockchain technology is the foundation of a new section of the internet. The fact that the blockchain technology is far greater than just Bitcoin is now widely known. A decentralized system and token-based finance, especially NFTs, are likewise included by the blockchain framework. The fact that Web3 is significantly altering the way people spend every day throughout the globe represents one of the most exciting features of this technology. This can be attributed to a variety of factors, including customer preferences, trends, and evolving times. Additionally, Web3 is far more accessible than its forerunners, and its creators are making significant contributions to the internet that is much more focused on people. Web3 developments and attention are being sparked by inclusivity. While just 16% of U.S. people overall hold cryptocurrency, 18% of Black Americans have joined in, based to a new poll by the Harris Poll. 20% of Americans of Latino descent. Additionally, persons of color make up around 44% of cryptocurrency owners. Actor Hill Harper introduced the Black Wall Street, North America's first Black-owned digital wallet and financial capacity-building technological advances, in 2021 in order to meet the requirements of Black Americans. Black and Hispanic blockchain leaders, educators, marketers, and market movers have tried to surpass other demographics in their embrace of blockchain technology ever since the pandemic's inception. It's interesting to note that success in Web3 is not influenced by age. The Otwins, Rebecca and Esther Obi, who are 7 years old, are a good example of this. They produced a 20-piece NFT collection called Colors and Shapes, which was composed of shapes and colors, and it was completely sold out in just 1 hour. They are merely a small portion of a mother movement that is onboarding children onto NFTs. In the midst of conflict and the worldwide epidemic of AIDS, charitable organizations have found innovative ways of raising money. One example is the Make-A-Wish Foundation's sale of NFTs after the Macy's Thanksgiving Time Parade, which enabled the organization to accept digital currency's contributions, or Save the Children's Ukrainian Response, which accepted donations in the form of digital assets. Concerning NFTs, gender is also not a hindrance. Famous for her roles in Hollywood and as the chief strategy officer of Mobile Productions, a decentralized film funding system, Emmy-winning director Cindy Cowan feels that women should encourage other women in the cryptocurrency industry. Cowan commented on her efforts to transform NFTs in the notoriously sexist movie and music industries in a recent visit on the Badass CEO podcast. Rob Pryor, a well-known Marvel and DC Comics artist, burned his picture on fire during a live broadcast in one of her well-publicized NFT drops, but it afterwards reappeared as an NFT on the mobile platform as part of a 24-hour auction. The NFT sold for $200,000 in the end. Overcoming challenges as a female Web3 user. The creators of Web3 are not all members of a closed group of blockchain brothers. In every aspect of Web3, women are having an effect as leaders, innovators, and builders. I just ran a radio program on Twitter Spaces to discuss women's inclusion and diversity in Web3. The show included Allison Wyatt of Refinery29, Goop, and Girlboss, a startup advisor and angel shareholder, as well as Rebecca Minkoff, the renowned designer of clothes and most popular book. The Female Founder Collective, FFC, which was founded by the ladies, aims to support and motivate other female founders to succeed in the Web3 industry. Finding venture finance emerged as the top concern for FFC female founders throughout the debate. Finding alternate funding sources for women in Web3 is crucial because less than 2% of sponsored entrepreneurs in Web2 are female. When comparing the 2% of financed women to the prospects for female entrepreneurs in Web3 and NFTs, it becomes clear that public funding rather than venture capital is the key factor. Most female founders will commit the error of believing that they must all establish an NFT collection on OpenSea, but Rebecca Minkoff's objective for FFC is to teach women about what is effective for various businesses, wherever an NFT can be useful, and how its utility will be prioritized. Are NFTs able to be unlocked for an expertise? Is it a virtual trial and service or a portable NFT? Pioneers should, in my opinion, take a variety of factors into account, Minkoff informed me. She wants to make sure that women are aware of the resources available to them as well as how they can use them to grow their businesses, since Web3 will alter the numbers. NFT photographer Lori Grace Bailey joined to the conversation by highlighting Web3's potential and enjoining more women to go and take part since, in her opinion, all women have the chance to broaden the scope of their impact in the world. Because women can go and democratize these platforms and provide equitable access by enrolling other women into NFTs, Cynthia Newton, COO of Netkey, appreciates the potential of Web3. Lisa Friedman believes there are unconscious prejudices in the world. We must develop the ability to see it in our own self, our teams, and our actions. Giving individuals with different walks of life the chance to identify and demonstrate their skills is a skill we must develop. Afterward, choices about who ought to sit at the table and in what capacity ought to be made based on the findings instead of on unintentional biases. Web3 is undoubtedly more inclusive than its forerunners, but a great deal more has to be performed. As a group, we remain in the early stages of constructing Web3, as the foundation has been set for it to spread over the world within the next 10 years. Subscribe and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow. Watch the next video, it is more informative. Let's continue.